Có đâu để. Đấy hả? Bueno, ¿por qué se trae mi por eso? Yung sila dito sa talabas. Kasi खाली बात
Not finish, Ruby. Wait.
I only eat now.
Here, no? Amen. Suzu, come here. Come here. Come here. Happy birthday, Suzu. See? We're both together. Pink. Yeah. What do you want to do? You want to go swimming? Huh?
I want to practice roller skating.
What's that?
Roller skating with my new roller skates.
Roller skating there.
Yes, in the running track. But not in that track, the running one. Because I don't like that kind. Because it's not soft.
Here is not possible here?
No.
Hey. Oh, what is that? Oh, very nice, Suzu.
That is for all of the lifeguards.
It's for that one. It's for what? I don't know.
Watching everyone.
Eyes for somebody. They are watching for people here. They're checking maybe, right? They are lifeguard.
Yes, and I want to tell you why it's not possible to do it on here. Because the wheels might get stuck in the sand.
Okay. So now we are going to there.
Yes, the running track. Not the sports
Something like
track.
that.
Not that. The other one, the red track.
Yes. But now better we go to under the water because we are here already because we are going back home. We don't have water there. We cannot swim. Everybody comes here to swim, right? Yeah, later. So tomorrow you have to try that your skate.
Okay.
And tomorrow you can try it around our garden near our salon. It's very nice there. Right?
What's that?
What's that? Oh, yeah. So that we can see ourselves.
Oh, what was happening?
Look, Suzu, our back. It's look like, oh, there's no stars in our back. Only one I could see.
Where? I can't see any stars.
Anh rồi giờ muốn nằm đây ngủ ạ.
There's no stars. The sky is
Look, Suzu,
completely
your clothes is very nice here. See?
I really want to go swimming.
You want to go swimming? Let's go. Let's go swimming. Suzu and me will go swimming.
Birdie, there's a bird.
Where? Let's go swimming, Suzu.
This one.